Adventure time. Hello, beautiful people. Gypsy J here with you, and we are on a great trip. I did this trip a few months back, and I've saved it till now, and I can't wait to share with you my trip to Uranus. To Uranus? Gee willikers and gosh golly, what is this guy talking about? Well, I went to Anderson, Indiana, to a fudge factory called Uranus, and it was awesome, and I want to share this experience with you. And not only was this a cool, beautiful drive, as you can see before your eyes, but it was also very entertaining, because when I left North Alabama on this trip of about 440 miles, it took me roughly just a little over 7 hours to get there. And it was a beautiful trip. Matter of fact, the skies were nice, the temperatures were wonderful, but then the next day, things started to change. I went to Uranus. I can't get enough of saying that. I'm such a dork, but it doesn't matter. So I went to Uranus, and when I came back outside, and we were only in Uranus for about 30 minutes, because I was running my mouth, but I had a great time in Uranus. The people in Uranus were awesome. Did I mention I went to Uranus Fudge Factory? It was a great place, man. It was just awesome. Anyway, so when we came back out, it was snowing. So I'm going to share some of this trip with you, and I want to share the Uranus Fudge Factory with you. So here I am in Uranus. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm Gypsy J, and we're taking a little adventure to Anderson, Indiana, and we're going to go to Uranus. You know, where all the best fudge is, baby.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome to Uranus.
Thanks.
Let's just start right here. I'm Gypsy J, and who are you?
I'm Lindsay. I'm going to be packing your fudge today.
Please, Lindsay, tell me what you know.
Well, here in Uranus, we have 18 flavors to choose from. We do offer licks of Uranus. You can always try before you buy. We can pack it tight for you. Tight in a box or loose in a bag, however you like your fudge packed.
You are the ultimate fudge packer, aren't you?
Yes! He's good too. Get him on some stuff.
Oh, so, and you are, sir.
Oh, here we go.
I like it. I like it. That's perfect. It's the sugar high. It's the. It's,
Oh, here we go. That killed me.
all right.
What are we doing?
Well, I'm Gypsy J,
Okay.
and I'm going to throw you on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
So I came to see you. We'll pack some fudge.
You want to watch me pack your fudge?
Yes, sir.
You're not the first to get it on recording. Most people aren't shy about it. But
Pack
every
his
once in a
fudge, and he'll pack some fudge, and we'll see who packs the best fudge.
All right.
while. That is my favorite. We got to rock, paper, scissors. Who's better? So what can I do for you?
Well, I tell you what, I will have.
2, 10, 15, 36, 248, 1,287.
Okay, we're gonna spend $20 on some fudge. So I would like $10 worth of fudge, and he wants $10 worth of fudge.
Fantastic. That'll get you 2 squares.
All right. Well, something that's with the
Something with the
that stuff in it right there. Those those things. Those M&M things. Yeah, there you go.
one of those. What else?
And then that's 2 squares, right? So and this thing with all the nuts, because you know the toffee. You gotta, because I've heard that Uranus can have some nuts.
Oh yeah. Any others? You just stick with the 2.
I'm just thinking with the $10 worth. So whatever that gets me is gets me.
And would you like your fudge packed, loose in a bag, or tied in a box?
Oh, how do you want your fudge?
I mean, hey, I'm asking you. Don't deflect.
Don't deflect. I will have. You know what? I'm getting on out. Loose in a bag. We'll take it loose in a bag.
Yes, sir. Hey, a little bit of extra wiggle room, never hurt nobody.
My personal favorites.
Maple, walnut, raspberry, vanilla.
Raspberry vanilla.
In case you can't tell, I've worked with them before.
Like the maple nut.
And do you have Fudge Packer t-shirts?
We do indeed. We have a whole variety. I want to say we got 19 plus designs.
Okay, well I got to get a t-shirt then.
Thank you for allowing me to pack fudge. Don't walk away without it.
Oh, well I'll be back for it. Can I just leave it with you for a moment?
I was only one more t-shirt because I refused.
Thank you. All right, I think this is a shirt for me, man. This is a shirt for me.
Did you enjoy getting your fudge packed?
I did, and I've enjoyed coming here. I drove all the way from Alabama just to come here. Yes, first time. Now, I've driven by the signs on the road, and I said, man, I have got to go get my fudge packed. And yes, they do. And this time I was like, there's no way I'm passing by Uranus without, I got to have some chocolate from Uranus. I did come to see you in Uranus. Well, oh my goodness, thank you very much. Okay. Oh, wait a minute, Uranus. You feel free to go ahead and talk about Uranus.
All right, so we're located at 1423 East 53rd Street here in Anderson, Indiana. Make sure you slide on into Uranus, but be careful pulling out. We don't want any accidents. Or skid marks.
Or skid marks. Well, you guys are great. I'm definitely going to be telling people, come on down.
Thanks for picking Uranus today.
I absolutely loved visiting Uranus. I don't know why I'm such a child about this, but Anderson, Indiana, and Uranus Fudge Factory was a great stop. And then it came to driving the 440 miles home. And minor blizzard, brand new vehicle. Got to find out real quick that the Bronco handled some moderately slippery roads. And like I said, quite a storm for about 3-4 hours. Then we finally got out of it. So the trip up to Indiana only took me 7 hours, but it actually took a little over 10 hours to get home due to the snow and the traffic and all the crazy. But after a while, we finally started to see sunshine. And then eventually, of course, we got back home. I want to thank the people at the Fudge Factory up in Anderson, Indiana. They were awesome. They had us laughing the entire time. There's a lot of cool stuff there. If you ever get a chance, I would definitely stop in there. You could probably drop my name, but they might throw you out. But you could definitely pick up some cool trinkets and, of course, some great fudge. And they have ice cream. And they actually had some old-fashioned type sodas, great flavors there. I enjoyed the stop up there. And my buddy Cello, he enjoyed going with me. We picked up some fudge. We had a great trip. We got to enjoy weather from one extreme to the other. We left and it was 70 degrees. And then we reached our destination. And overnight, it turned into an icicle. It was really crazy. It just goes to show you in just over 400 miles how the difference across the United States can, what a huge difference it can be from sunshine and, puffy, beautiful clouds to just a few hours later, there you are in a minor blizzard. That is the awesomeness of traveling across the United States. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, would you please like, subscribe, the thumbs up thing, and now you can even hype the videos. There's a little button down at the bottom you can hit hype. I'd really appreciate it. Help the channel grow. Let me know that somebody actually enjoys these videos so I can keep putting them out, because I'm going to do it anyway, but it'd be nice if somebody actually said, hey, how you doing? All right, I am Gypsy J. I hope you enjoyed this awesome trip one more time to Uranus. Oh my God, I'm such a child. I enjoyed visiting Uranus. And my friends, life is an adventure. Get out there, have an adventure, do something awesome. And until next time, hey, I'm Gypsy J, and you're absolutely beautiful.